Clashes were reported in the Vovchansk region, where Russian forces from the northern group detected and targeted Ukrainian mortar positions. According to the report, reconnaissance units located the mortars, after which they were engaged and destroyed during the operation. The enemy mortar positions were quickly identified and engaged by UAV operators from the 71st Motorized Rifle Division of the Northern Military District. After locating the targets, the drone operators carried out precise strikes that destroyed the mortar systems and prevented them from continuing fire operations in the area. During a reconnaissance mission, the NRTK successfully neutralized a PTM-3 mine positioned in the path of advancing troops. Using a specially designed net, the device was detonated safely, eliminating the threat without putting soldiers at risk. Following the successful neutralization, the system continued its mission, maintaining operational readiness and ensuring the area remained secure for troop movements. An air defense system located in the village of Perdino in the Kherson region of Ukraine was targeted in an attack using a remotely controlled Garin missile. The strike focused on disabling the air defense position, aiming to weaken the protection of the area and limit the system's ability to intercept incoming aerial threats. Northern drone operators carried out a series of strikes that successfully hit a Ukrainian-made 2S-3 self-propelled gun stationed in a hangar near Vovchansk. The operation targeted the artillery system after reconnaissance identified its location, effectively neutralizing the threat. Footage shows long-range fiber-optic drones carrying out sequential strikes on a detected artillery position. Despite attempts by the crew to camouflage the damaged self-propelled gun between attacks, the artillery system was ultimately destroyed. Reports claim that since early March 2026, at least 27 Ukrainian self-propelled artillery systems, 18 of them 122mm 2S1 Gvozdika, have been destroyed, with FPV drones playing a major role in these strikes. Ukrainian infantry spotted a Russian reconnaissance drone overhead and quickly realized they were being observed. The soldiers understood the danger but had little time to react. Before they could relocate or find proper cover, a fiber-optic FPV drone arrived at the position. Within moments, the drone moved in for the strike, and the situation ended in an unavoidable explosion. An attempt by a Ukrainian armed forces soldier to shoot down a Russian reconnaissance UAV in the area of responsibility of the Dnipro Air Force Brigade in the Zaporizhzhia direction ended in failure. Despite opening fire on the drone, the soldier was unable to bring it down, and the UAV continued its surveillance mission over the area. The first video for March 14th from the series highlights the work of drone operators from the teams of Archangel Spetsnaz and the operational groups West, North, and East. The footage shows how these drone crews conduct aerial reconnaissance and monitor enemy activity across different sectors of the front line. Using unmanned aerial systems, the operators scan forests, roads, and damaged structures to detect movements and identify potential targets. Once activity is spotted, the drones provide real-time observation that helps coordinate further actions and maintain situational awareness for units operating on the ground. The video continues the series documenting the growing role of drone operators in modern combat operations, where constant aerial surveillance and rapid response capabilities have become a critical part of battlefield strategy. The second video released today from the series showcases the work of drone operators from the operational groups West, North, and East, highlighting their role in modern battlefield operations. The footage demonstrates how these units rely on unmanned aerial systems to conduct constant surveillance over contested areas, monitor enemy movements, and quickly identify potential targets across multiple sectors of the front line. In the video, drone operators carefully guide their aircraft over forests, damaged infrastructure, and open terrain, scanning for signs of activity on the ground. Once a target is detected, the operators maintain visual contact while coordinating with other units to track movements and assess the situation. This type of aerial observation allows forces to gather valuable real-time intelligence without exposing personnel to unnecessary danger. The footage also illustrates the growing importance of drone teams in supporting ground operations. By maintaining continuous observation from above, operators help identify enemy positions, monitor logistical routes, and provide early warnings about potential threats. This information allows frontline units to react more quickly and plan their actions with greater accuracy. Overall, the video highlights the expanding role of unmanned systems in modern warfare, where drone operators from different operational groups work together to maintain situational awareness, support combat operations, and shape the dynamics of the battlefield through constant aerial reconnaissance and monitoring. This is the third video released today from a collection highlighting the work of drone operators operating in the territory of the Special Military Operations Zone. The footage provides another look at how unmanned aerial systems are being used on the modern battlefield to conduct reconnaissance, monitor enemy movements, and carry out precision strikes against military targets. In the video, drone crews carefully observe the battlefield from above, scanning roads, fields, and damaged structures for signs of activity. Once a potential target is identified, operators guide their drones with precision, maintaining constant visual contact while coordinating the approach. The footage demonstrates how small unmanned systems allow operators to react quickly to changing conditions, track enemy positions, and maintain continuous situational awareness across the combat zone. Drone operators have become an essential element of modern military operations. Their ability to provide real-time intelligence, detect concealed positions, and carry out targeted strikes has significantly changed the dynamics of combat. The compilation highlights the skill and coordination required to control these systems, as well as the growing reliance on drone technology to influence events on the battlefield.